Hey, Coach Micheal Burt. I hope you're doing great. It's the first time you've ever seen me. I've spent really the last 30 years of my life coaching and engineering people to perform at their highest level, to activate their prey drive, find their latent and undeveloped potential, and act on that potential. It's Saturday. I just flew back in from St. Lucia. I'm here at my lodge out in Tennessee. We got this beautiful 8,000 square foot lodge. We got big plans for this, by the way, that you're going to be seeing come out pretty soon for 2022. But that's not what I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about a message. I was upstairs a minute ago in our training room. We have a 54-person training room here, 23 acres. And I was picking up a copy of one of the workbooks of a program I do called the Micheal Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing. And I was thinking about some key things. I started speaking as early as 15 years old when I joined an honor society in high school. And a local dentist saw the potential in me. He had a big dramatic arts background. And he saw the potential in me, and he wanted to coach me. So, man, I see a lot of potential in you. I want you to come up to my house every night after basketball practice. I'm going to teach you how to speak. I'm going to teach you a cadence. I'm going to teach you a rhythm. I'm going to teach you how to write speeches. And, you know, unbeknownst to me, little did I know that, you know, over the next 30 years, this was what I'd be doing with my life. So I started at 15. I was speaking on stages of 6,000 people by the time I was 16. As part of that Beta Club role that I had, which was a national officer. Man, I was turned on to getting on a stage, being a person of interest and a person of authority, and delivering a message with a cadence and a rhythm and an impactful message, right? We believe having something to say is just as valuable as having somebody to say it to. Right, Tom Love? Right, we believe. Right, and so on Saturdays, I came out here to the lodge. I'm looking at some of my inventory. I'm taking my son for a ride so he can take a nap. He's down at Granny's house down there right now. And so I listen to a lot of video on Saturday. I listen to interviews. I listen to podcasts. I listen to people give presentations. And I see so many people who are incredibly talented with the message. They've got a framework. But what they don't have is they don't have a delivery. They don't have a conviction. They don't know how to deliver a message in an impactful way. So they get on stage or they get on a podcast or they do a presentation and it's flat, man. It's flat. There's no great storytelling. There's no peak in their voice. There's no vocal tonality. There's no energy. There's no boom. It's just the same monotonous, boring message, and it doesn't matter if the message is incredible. So my message to you, if you're out there and you want to build a speaking business, I've built a multi-million-dollar speaking business, multi-million-dollar coaching business, training business. But a lot of my unique ability is in how I deliver a message with a cadence and a rhythm. And I can't tell you how many times I've spoken to audiences of 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. And people say, man, you're speaking right to me. When I walk around that room and look people in the eyes, they say, man, you're talking directly to me. You touch my soul today. You hit me at a different level that nobody else has ever hit me. I've had people that are 66 years old say, I've never had a coach until I hired you. And that's after 20 minutes of speaking. So it's not just important to have a message. It's important, guys, to connect with an audience. It's important to learn how to tell stories. It's important to learn how to shift gears. It's important to learn how to bring a conviction and an energy to the equation so your message is impactful. So if you're out there and you go, man, I want to speak, I want to coach, I want to train, I want to lead, I want to encourage you. September 15th and 16th, right here at this lodge, outside of Nashville, Tennessee, I do my Micheal Burt School of Speaking, School of Coaching, School of Publishing. I teach you everything I've learned. I teach you where the passion and the conviction comes from, man. I get you out here to my lodge and I teach you how to do it at a world-class level. Because it don't matter how good the message is, folks, if they don't believe in the messenger. So, 15th and 16th, September. right here, my lodge, the Micheal Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing. I think we got 17 people enrolled. If you're in my coaching accelerator, which means you get monthly coaching from me, how to be a better coach, how to connect, you automatically get access to free pass to this. So I want to see you here, man. I see so many people who got great content, but lousy delivery, or they don't have a clear message, or they don't know how to deliver that message with some energy. It's not just important what you have to say, it's important how you say it. Micheal Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, Publishing. Look at this right here. Isn't that beautiful? Man, it's one of my favorite investments. Get here. It's intimate. It's 2 days with me. Micheal Burt School of Speaking, September 15th, 16th. I'll teach you how to speak, how to coach, how to train, how to lead, how to sign major deals where you get equity or revenue participation. Man, I've done it all, okay? How I use my coaching business to buy real estate like this, and we're constantly improving this. We've got a plan for this property right here to generate over $500,000 a year with a new membership model we're gonna be rolling out, with new events we're gonna be rolling out in 2022. How do we take every liability and turn it into an asset? Well, first we gotta get on a stage. We gotta get in front of a group of people. We gotta have something to say so that they wanna do more with us. So, come spend 2 days with me. Micheal Burt School of Speaking and Coaching, right here at my lodge. I'll see you then. Click the button below. Go to my website. Let's get you started.